In recent years, IoT has revolutionized various sectors, and the automotive industry is no exception. By integrating smart technology into vehicles, the industry has experienced tremendous advancements. In this video, we will present the top 5 benefits of the Internet of Things in the automotive industry. The first one is enhanced vehicle safety. One of the most significant benefits of IoT in the automotive industry is improved vehicle safety. IoT enabled sensors and connectivity features allow vehicles to communicate with each other and the surrounding infrastructure. This real time communication enables the detection of potential hazards such as sudden braking, lane departure, or even pedestrians in blind spots. By providing early warnings and alerts, IoT technology can greatly reduce accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. The second one is predictive maintenance. Another key advantage of IoT in the automotive industry is predictive maintenance. IoT enabled sensors can monitor various components of a vehicle, such as engine performance, tire pressure, and battery health. By continuously collecting and analyzing data, these sensors can detect anomalies or signs of potential failures before they happen. This proactive approach allows for timely maintenance and reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns, saving vehicle owners time and money. The third one is improved efficiency and fuel economy. IoT technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency and fuel economy of vehicles. Connected cars can collect data on driving patterns, traffic conditions, and weather forecasts. By analyzing this data, vehicle can optimize their performance, adjust route to avoid congestion, and provide real-time fuel-saving suggestions. With the help of IoT, drivers can make informed decisions to minimize fuel consumption and reduce their carbon footprint. The fourth one is enhanced driver experience. IoT in the automotive industry has transformed the driver experience. Through in-vehicle connectivity, driver can access a wide range of services and applications. For instance, they can seamlessly integrate their smartphones, enabling hands-free calling, music streaming, and navigation assistance. Additionally, IoT technology can enable advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, collision warnings, and parking assist. These features not only enhance convenience but also contribute to safer and more enjoyable driving experiences. The last one is smart traffic management. Last but not the least, IoT has the potential to revolutionize traffic management systems. By integrating IoT sensors and connectivity into traffic infrastructure, cities can collect real-time data on traffic flow, congestion, and parking availability. This data can be used to optimize traffic signals, reroute vehicles, and efficiently manage parking spaces. Smart traffic management systems powered by IoT can significantly reduce traffic congestion, enhance mobility, and improve overall transportation efficiency. Overall, we can say that the benefits of IoT in the automotive industry are vast and impactful. From enhancing vehicle safety and enabling predictive maintenance to improving efficiency, driver experience, and traffic management, IoT technology is transforming the way we drive and interact with our vehicles. As IoT continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments and benefits in the automotive industry. If you are looking to harness the power of IoT for your automotive business, our team of experts is here to help you. Contact us today to explore how our IoT development services can revolutionize your operations and drive your business towards a connected and prosperous future.